Now you live in New York?
Yeah. Yes, Mama, we all live in New York. Can I have the iPad? We're so high. Guys, this room is gorgeous.
Wow.
Do you like this room? Gorgeous?
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Good morning, New York. Oh. Good morning, guys. Today we're in New York for 2 days. We arrived yesterday. What are you doing? Okay, go spit. Yeah. Don't forget to flush. Ew! Boys, we are here in New York for like a day and a half. We arrived yesterday.
But our floor is in 26.
Okay, close the door, thank you. We are here for like a day and a half, and then tomorrow we're going to the Hamptons to have some fun with our friends at their house. The kids are really excited to be here. Are you excited to be in New York?
What are you doing?
I'm doing video.
I want to do a video with you too.
Okay. Jakey, do you want to tell what we're going to do today? Do you want to tell them what Mommy planned for us to do?
Okay,
Okay.
what's our plan?
Our plan is, I thought I told you. First we eat.
Breakfast. And then we go to the museum.
Yes, and then
We wake up in the morning.
No, that's not the right order. First, we eat breakfast. Then we go to the museum. We have really, really cool exhibits to be part of. Hello? And then we're gonna be in the museum for like 3 hours. Then we're gonna go for lunch with our friend, right? And then we are going to the Staten Island ferry, right?
Yeah, right.
And then
Mama, are we gonna take a boat?
Yes, we will. And then we're going to and then we're gonna go to Central Park.
Ooh, I love Central
Where the horses were. Do you want to ride the horses?
Oh yes, and
Betty, that's a very, very close angle.
I don't want to.
You don't want to ride the horses?
No.
Okay, we can just go walk around there, check out what's going on.
Yeah, and play to the park.
Yeah, and play in the park. That's it. It's a long day. It's gonna be already like evening when we're gonna be done.
What again?
Okay, guys, Mommy needs 5 minutes to get ready. Can you guys leave, please? Thank you so much. I love you. Okay, so now we told you guys all our plans. I need to get ready. I need to get to breakfast. Because if I don't eat in the span of 30 minutes since I wake up, bad news. So I'm gonna start with my skincare routine, and I actually wanted to give a shout out to Folane for collaborating with me. Let me tell you something. I don't know if you noticed, but I've been using a lot of cleaner products now. We are so concerned about our diets that we put in our bodies and exercise, but a lot of the things that we don't notice is the products that we use. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, and we absorb 60% of what we put on it. So definitely pregnancy highlighted this factor, but in general, kind of as I grow older, I really want to make sure that I am trying to kind of protect my body as much as I can, because there's so much like pollution, there's so much toxins coming from a lot of different factors. So if I can reduce them with the skincare and products that I use, that's kind of my go-to now. So my skincare today is from Folane. Folane is basically a clean beauty retailer. Think about the Sephora of clean beauty. So they offer a huge selection of non-toxic, clean beauty products, which is really cool. So if you're looking for anything at all, there's always something there that will fit your skincare. And today's kit is this little travel kit, which is perfect because I did not want to carry my full size products. Let me show you what we have here. I got myself this ocean cleanser, I got myself a toner, and this hand and body lotion, and this recovery cream. So I'm gonna use that. That's gonna be my skincare routine. Simple, clean, extra clean because they're actually clean products. So this kit is normally retails for $45, but Folane has partnered up with me. The first 300 people that will click the link below will get 60% off and free shipping. So this will be $18. So if you guys are into trying out some clean beauty products and trying out Folane, you guys can definitely check it out. So thank you, Folane, for keeping my body clean and my face pretty. Not right now, but in a sec, we'll get there. Did you brush your teeth? Good job, my baby. A little trick I've learned when I'm traveling and I forgot my dry shampoo or whatever it is, I just take a powder, just like a mattifying powder for the face, translucent powder, and I'll just apply it where I need it to soak the oil. This is definitely not to clean your hair. I mean, I'm gonna wash my hair later today, but we're just stepping out and the hair needs a little revival. And I buy these small little translucent powders from Sephora. This is Laura Mercier. This is a great little beauty hack. Less oily, I'm ready to take over New York. I don't think you guys can climb here, guys. Do you know where we're going? What do you know? What museum is it?
No.
It's the Museum of Natural History. Nori, are you excited? They're gonna create some balagan here. What is it, Benny? Yeah, you see?
Shade clock. Shade clock.
Stripped skunk. What shade croc?
And this one?
This is coyote.
Coyote.
You see how he screams? He's doing woo! This is the earliest I've ever been to a museum in my life. Let's hope they're gonna last. I got all the shows booked.
I really like the video.
What is it called? Do you know?
I don't know.
Alaska.
Alaska black bear.
Yes. This is called grizzly bear.
And black.
Oh, look. This is Jakey. This is Benjamin. This is Mama.
That's Papa. And this is Papa.
Papa has really nice nails.
This is Benny. This is Jakey. This is Papa and this is Mama.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Oh, that's pretty.
На space.
Таня, я ходила на Space, ты ей расскажешь? Вау, это cool.
But I don't know what it's called.
You don't know what it's called? It's called the Black Universe. What is that? If you stand here, what do you see? Put your feet here. What do you see in the painting? What body part is it? What do you see? You see an eye? Yeah. Find the bear? Gary, you need to find the bear.
What?
You need to find the bear. I found him! Yeah, but it's because the colors changed. Oh, now I see a bird. Do you see this bird? The tall bird. And a lion. You see the lion here? Oh, now it's gone. Do you feel dizzy? Does it make you dizzy? Guys, did you enjoy the museum? High five. Yeah. Jakey, did you enjoy the museum? High five. You getting us an Uber?
Yeah?
Good job, Papa. Did you have fun?
So much fun.
Guys, what was your favorite part of the museum?
When we see the animals.
See it?
The animals?
Yeah. And I
There's
like
nice
the
Indian
color
people in New
sand.
York too.
The colored sand?
There's nice
Oh yeah,
people.
that was fun. My favorite was the space movie.
Me too. Me too.
Right? That was really cool. Nori, what was your favorite?
too.
Yeah, the space one?
Yeah.
Me too. Mine is the space one.
Yeah, it was really cool. Mga krasota. May nabuhin bliso. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ako nito.
Don't touch it, Jake.
Someone just got their kid's birthday party there. Look. They have a bartender for the grown-ups. And they're all these attractions for the kids. I need to keep that in mind. Next year. Guys! Where are you gonna go?
Let's go, Benjamin.
Bye! Okay, guys. Gary is way too big for that car. I'm so happy I didn't go on this one. Was it fun? Was it fun for you?
Yeah, that was very crazy. Very crazy.
Benny's still spinning. Papa, how was it for you?
I don't like it.
Oh, Benny's ready to fly. Have fun, Benny! Good luck! You're so brave. We did it. Thank you. Successful day. The end of a successful day.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Not the end.
Why the end? The end of the video. The end. What time is it?
6 o'clock.
Oh my god, my feet are so swollen. Jakey, did you have a fun day, my love?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, but it was so crazy. But I'm tired.
Yeah, it was so crazy that you're tired now?
Yeah, I was tired because I had a long day.
Yeah, but was it so fun for you?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy. Who do you need to say thank you to?
Thank you.
To who?
You.
Why?
Because you tasted.
Because I took you? Well, thank you, Jakey, for being awesome. High five. Thanks, buddy. Okay, that was 24 hours in New York, family style. Tomorrow we're going to the Hamptons. No one's listening anymore.